In Mumbai, late at night, across the ocean, Leo Carter stares blank. Some greet spark with excitement, hoping
You gave us the tool. Why punish us for using it?
In a moment, 3 hours of grading vanish. What once buried her.
Spark helped me explore. But the choices? Maybe the history of AI itself.
inquiry is the spark, humanity is the fire. An AI directed short movie, The Spark of Inquiry. Meet Ananya and Leo, oceans apart but chasing the same spark. In Mumbai, late at night, Ananya drowns beneath a mountain of papers. The desk is overflowing. Red ink bleeds across page after page. Her pen scratches mechanically. Each mark takes her further from joy of teaching. She rubs her temples, exhaustion in her eyes. Each tick of the clock whispers the same doubt. Is this why she became a teacher? Across the ocean, Leo Carter stares blankly at the clock. The hum of fluorescent light fills the sterile air. Rows of desks stretch like an assembly line, conveyor belt of knowledge, delivered not discovered. He slides his phone beneath at the desk, scroll, tap, anything to feel awake. For him, school is not a place of curiosity, it's a waiting room. After a class, Leo carries the same emptiness home. His room is quiet, lit only by the cold glow of his laptop. Book sits unopened on the shelf. The assignment waits, writes an essay on the Mughal Empire. He sighs, fingers tapping the keys without conviction. Research feels endless. The task heavy. The cursor blinks, daring him to begin. Then he remembers Spark, a simple prompt, just a sentence, write a 500-word essay on the Mughal Empire. In seconds, word cascade down the screen, polished sentences ready to copy. He scrolls through, barely reading, no struggle, no discovery. He pastes the text, leans back, slips on his headphones. The room fills with the hollow glow of the screen. Smart, efficient, but something is missing. Then a new tool arrives. Administrators call it Spark, a shimmering orb of light, a promise of personalized learning for every student. Some greet Spark with excitement, hoping it will lighten workloads and open new doors for learning. Others respond with suspicion, uneasy about what it might take away. Too many, it feels like just another layer of control, another system telling teachers how to teach and students how to learn. A shimmer of promise shadowed by doubt. In Mumbai and in America, leaders present Spark as the future of learning. The message is clear. Hope and hesitations now sit side by side.
For Leo, Spark feels like a magic trick. Instant research, instant answers. He types a single line, write a 500 essay on the Mughal Empire. In seconds, polished paragraphs flood the screen. No searching, no struggle. He copies, pastes, and leans back. Headphones sliding on. For a moment, it feels effortless. The room is silent, the glow of the screen, the only light. The words aren't his, the curiosity isn't his, the essay is done, but the victory is hollow. Because answers without inquiry are empty.
You gave us the tool. Why punish us for using it?
I wrote every word. The machine says I cheated. But this is my voice.
Cracks appear. Detection software begins flagging work. Even students who wrote every word. Teachers are left confused. Parents outraged. Students humiliated. Spark, once promised, is now a source of chaos. In the aftermath, parents demand answers. Principals review flagged essays, but certainty slips away. Teachers debate effort versus evidence, and in the corner, spark glows in silence. Trust falters, and the system meant to guide learning begins to crack. In Mumbai, Ananya decides to try Spark herself. Reluctantly, she uploads the first stack of papers. The orb pulses, streams of light weave across her screen. In a moment, 3 hours of grading vanish. What once buried her dissolves into air. And for the first time in months, she smiles. The weight lifts from her shoulders, replaced by light. For once, her time belongs to her students again.
Maybe this isn't here to replace me, but to give me back my time.
She looks around the room, and for the first time, the papers no longer own her. Ideas for new lessons still in her mind, possibilities she had almost forgotten. Schools begin to change. Instead of policing, they turn to teaching again. A new model takes root: human, AI, human. First, start with your question, then, use AI to explore possibilities, and always finish with your own reflection, your own voice. In Mumbai, workshops come with energy. Ananya leans forward, eyes bright, explaining to her peers how Spark can take the weight of routine away, giving teachers back their most precious gift, time with their students. Around her, heads nod, notebooks open, and conversations flow. She is no longer the tired teacher drowning in papers, but a mentor guiding others to rediscover their spark. In a US classroom, the silence breaks. Students lean in, debating, asking questions aloud. Collaboration replaces passivity, voices alive with curiosity.
In Ananya's classroom, colors seeps back in. Students debate passionately, their voices bouncing off the walls. Sparks glow stays quietly in the background, but the focus is back on them.
Your voices matter. Let's ask better questions. Because the answers mean little without curiosity to guide them. Don't just accept what you're told, challenge it, shape it, make it your own. That is how true learning begins.
And with that, our classroom comes alive, not with answers, but with inquiry. And then their worlds meet.
Leo, Spark tells me you love game design. Here's your challenge. Build a historically accurate game set on the trade routes between Rome and the Chola dynasty.
A game? History? That sounds complicated.
Not complicated, creative. You can use Spark for the research, but the design, the choices, the story, that's yours.
So it's not about copying answers, it's about building something new.
Exactly. Use Spark as a partner, not a shortcut. Show us the history through your eyes.
Leo pauses, then grins for the first time. What begins as a task becomes transformation. Leo debates sparks like a skeptical historian. Maps, coins, scrolls flood his screens. He highlights, critiques, refines. Spark projects vivid codes. Ships sailing, merchants trading, markets alive with motion. Leo guides it with his hands like a conductor, as his room bursts with color and energy.
This game isn't about battles, it's about trust, about exchange, about empathy. It's about showing how people connect, trade, and grow stronger together.
He cites Spark openly. He shows his prompts, his refinement, his choices. Teacher listens and then they applaud.
Spark helped me explore. But the choices, they're mine.
In the classroom across the world, students collaborate again. Ananya mentors with joy. Leo guides his peers with prompts and spark. It glows softly, fading into the background, exactly where it belongs.
So, what's your next project?
Maybe the history of AI itself.
Inquiry is the spark, humanity is the fire, and together they light the path of learning.